Taking the quiz and drawing conclusions based on the analytics is great, but there is still a lot of juice to extract from the quiz that you took. You should focus on reviewing the detailed solutions of each question with the aim to learn from the solutions. Each question in Scholaranium comes with a detailed solution so that you can constantly learn and improve as you practice. Before we go further into the solutions, let's talk about why you may falter in a question. Firstly, you may have a conceptual gap. For example, you may falter in an inference question in reading comprehension if you're not comfortable with combining the information in two statements to come up with an inference. Secondly, you may falter if you do not follow a methodical approach while answering questions. For example, another reason why you may stumble on RC inference question is if you do not read an RC passage properly. Lastly, you may falter if you make a careless mistake, whether while reading the passage or while doing the process of elimination. Now, the solutions are written so that you can isolate the cause of error to ensure that you don't repeat the same. By reviewing the solution and comparing your thought process with that in the solution, you will be able to specifically find out why you faltered. For example, in an RC question, since the solution contains detailed passage analysis, you will be able to tell if you were able to extract all the necessary juice from the passage or not. If not, then which sentence or passage portion were you not able to understand? How should you have read and interpreted that part of the passage? All this you would be able to tell if you review the passage analysis properly. Likewise, since each question is explained in detail, you will be able to determine if you approach the question in the right manner or not. And lastly, because each answer choice is talked about in detail, you will be able to determine if you missed a specific choice because you forgot to focus on a certain word in the choice or because you misinterpreted the choice. Likewise, each CR solution includes passage analysis, pre-thinking analysis, and answer choice analysis, allowing you to pinpoint exactly where you're going wrong. Lastly, each SC solution includes meaning and error analysis of the original sentence and detailed analysis of each answer choice, again equipping you with the information that you will need to determine exactly which step of the process you faltered on. Therefore, all in all, by reviewing these detailed solutions, you can improve your skills even when you're simply practicing questions.